So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the text opacity in a video here on InShot. So here in InShot, here's my video right here. If I wanted to add some text, I can go ahead and press on my video, press on text right here, press on text again, and then how about I just type in the word opacity, just like that. Now, if you want to make it more transparent or less transparent, I want you to press on these three little lines right here. Now on this screen right beside that, there's actually a bunch of different options right here. So you can go ahead and kind of play around with it this way, just in regards to what you want to do. But on this color wheel right here, go ahead and press on opacity right here. And right now it's at 100%, which means that it's not see-through at all. But if you were to slide this bar to the left a little bit, you actually make the text a little bit more see-through. Or if you want to slide it to the right, you can make it less. So if you wanted to be like that, for example, you can go ahead and play your video and the text is pretty see-through. So that's how you guys can edit the text opacity in a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.